Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Mark with everybody's favorite A to the J, AJ Hecox. Yeah. We are here at Knott Berry Farm. It's my dad's company picnic. So he gave us his tickets. Shout out to Pops. We're gonna go in here. They got a little all-you-can-eat joint going on. We're gonna eat some fucking food and then ride some of these rides. Cause reason why me and AJ are going here, cause me and him both don't really fuck with rides like that. So it's a perfect match.
Heart beating.
Yeah, I'm a little ball nervous just looking at all these damn rides.
Getting the bubble guts.
You get the BGs, they ain't even had no fucking food yet. So yeah, man, we're gonna go in here, get some food, and then see what we can get into. So we just got off of Big Bear Rapids. Y'all can see that. It don't look that bad over here. My back is soaked. My God. AJ's pretty soaked too.
Man.
His pants are wet. Both my shoes are soaked as fuck. All types of problems. It's a nice day out though, so to be wet, it's not too bad. We're gonna get on one of these little roller coasters. We'll see y'all there. So we just got done riding the Pony Express. Bong, bong. We're not dead. That's the first thing. There's a dryer. What's this, AJ? There's a dryer. Oh hell, you gotta pay money to get dry? You gotta pay money to get dry. That's crazy. Knott's Berry Farm trying to monetize money, bro. Fuck them. But yeah, man, we're gonna walk around Knott's a little bit. I have no knowledge of where the hell we're going, so wherever we end up next is where we end up next.
Oh, Euro step location.
Euro, ooh. Ooh. Alright, so all I know is I'm not getting on that big motherfucker over there. There ain't no amount of money in the world that can make me do that shit. So yeah, man, let's see where we end up next. So we're here in Voyage to the Iron Reef. So you can see in line, the AJ, of course. This motherfucker, we're like literally right at, damn near at the front of this line. And this bitch gets fucking shut down. Like it's broken down right now. They don't know how long it's gonna be. We're gonna wait in line for a little bit, not too fucking long. But yeah, man, hopefully it goes back up because I did want to ride this ride. It's supposed to be like, if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be kind of like the Buzz Lightyear ride at Disneyland, where it's
3D shooting.
3D like a shooter. So it looked dope. So hopefully we can get to ride this thing.
¿Qué?
They sound like maybe they're gonna be moving, so we'll find out. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna be moving again. I hope. Yeah. Wait, are they going? Nope, they're stopping right there. Oh no, it's working again. Or maybe. Oh damn. Or they might be. We'll find out, man. It's been a relatively productive day here at Knott's. AJ got on a roller coaster. That one over there, exactly. The Pony Express. Right there, you can't barely see it. You liked it though, right, AJ?
That's great.
Me and AJ both have the wonderful fear of roller coasters.
Strong dislike.
Strong dislike.
100% dislike.
So, yeah, man. You're not gonna see me on any of these fucking stupid ones over here. Fuck all that. Got me fucked up. So yeah, man, we'll see how much longer we're gonna be in line. Hopefully, we'll be in there real soon. Check y'all out. Look who's number one, no! Look who's number one, no! Number one! The fuck AJ up?
Your last remain seated until the
fucking man. So we're gonna see if my bro AJ can win at this 3-point contest right here. The high score is 9, AJ. You don't get that, bro?
I might get 2.
Huh?
I might get 2.
This is sus because that's like 9 feet. That's not no 10-foot bro.
Yeah, you got something for that.
If you get 9, you could get one of these shirts, jerseys. Alright, AJ. Yeah, go ahead, bro.
For 40 seconds, you know the rules. Whenever you're ready, take your first shot.
Go ahead, bro.
Being recorded. First one.
Bruh. 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 Yeah, AJ. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Take that 1 point.
Bruh. Oh, AJ. Come on, AJ. There you go.
5 seconds.
There you go, AJ.
3 seconds.
Bruh. Oh, Rob. Bruh. We over here looking at these rides. Look how big these fucking fish are. That's just crazy. They see us and they think we're gonna give them food. But we ain't giving y'all shit. Got me fucked up if you think I'll ever find me on one of these stupid ass rides. You got me fucked up if you ever think I'd ever hop on any one of these fucking rides. Huh, AJ?
No, I'm straight.
I'm gonna stay right the fuck here. So that's the end for Knott's Berry Farm for us. It was a nice experience. I wouldn't go here if I had to pay for it. The only reason why I came is because it was free. We're on our way to DTF right now. AJ really wants to go to Buffalo Exchange, so we about to head over there, get some food, find some action. We're gonna do something. So, and then the fights tonight too. So,
who's fighting?
Triple G.
Oh, you're right.
Who were you gonna say?
I don't know.
Oh,
literally, I was about to. I don't know.
Oh, for sure. But yeah, man. So, catch y'all over in Fullerton. Shout out to Knott's.
Zip it in and zip it out.
So we're here in Fullerton. AJ wants to go to Buffalo Exchange, so I took him to Buffalo Exchange. We're gonna go out here, get some food, and whatever else we may run into. So.
Yep.
So we just got done beatnik and at Buffalo Exchange. As you can see, we didn't buy shit. Buffalo Exchange is a very hit or miss place. Sometimes you come in and it's just nothing but great shit, and sometimes there isn't. Today was one of those situations where there wasn't.
Shit.
We are gonna go to Lost Levels now. It's one of those. It's an antique gaming store. It hasn't been open since last time I was here, so it's open now. I'm gonna go check it out. Then after that, we're gonna go over to the pizza spot right over there, have some pizza, and then do whatever else we're gonna do for the rest of the night. So.
And then let me say right there, all I can do is smile.
Hey, sometimes that's all you need to do, bro. Yo, so check out Star Fox 64, Mario Kart 64, Pokemon Stadium, fucking Super Smash, Bad Fur Day, Mario Party. Look how much fucking Conker's Bad Fur Day is.
Bad Fur Day is fun as hell, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. Look, it's $90. Anyways, $60 for the Nintendo 64, AJ. Perfect. That's it, bro.
It's been days playing that, bro.
Like we got Game Boy shit. Then there was a GameCube. These are SNES games. Did you play any of these games, AJ?
Huh?
You play any of these games?
Yeah.
Super Mario World.
Yeah, Street Fighter. Dope.
Street Fighter. These are, man. I'm feeling.
Oh, Earthworm.
I'm feeling hella
You ever play
old.
that?
Earthworm? Yeah.
Donkey Kong 2? Donkey Kong?
I'm feeling really old right now. Let's just say that. Bro, $60 for a Nintendo 64 is not that far-fetched.
How much?
$60 for a Nintendo 64? That doesn't sound too far-fetched at all.
I have that same remote.
Look, Doom 64. This is crazy.
Hey, they got Banjo and
Banjo-Tooie.
Pokemon Stadium.
Yeah, I saw that too, bro.
Star Fox.
Pokemon Snap.
I already got that thinking it would be good.
Oh, Resident Evil 2.
No, bro. Look. Def Jam Fight for New York.
Def Jam, $40. Dang, that's crazy, bro. Look, it's $50 for a GameCube. So it's more expensive for a Nintendo 64 than it is a GameCube.
I was a kid and I almost like
Sega
cried.
Genesis, I had one of these too.
I almost cried because my mom didn't give me a Dreamcast. GameCube.
You died. Oh, speaking of Dreamcast, AJ, $50 for Sega Dreamcast. Boom. Final Fantasy 8.
Tomb Raider.
Played that. Dino Crisis. Played that. Dude. Oddworld.
Final
Fantasy 7. That's the exact game I had too. House of the Dead 2 for fucking Dreamcast, bro. I thought that was the greatest game at the time. So yeah, this is called Lost Levels. It's in downtown Fullerton. They got some arcade machines here you could play, and they got OG video games you could buy. And they're not too bad, barring the rarity of the game. NES. NES is 100. It is probably the most expensive one. NES is $29.99. They got fucking Donkey Kong, Mike Tyson's Punch Out, Super Mario 2, Super Mario 3.
Hey, Marc, you know this?
This is crazy. Yo.
Why does Bad Fur Day the game cost more than the console?
Because Bad Fur Day is dope. Look, Duck Hunt. Bro, this is crazy.
$60. Bad Fur Day costs $90.
Because Bad Fur Day was a dope game. Shout out to Bird.
Oh, did you know it's 007?
Yeah. But that's for the DS. Look, oh. This is by far the best wrestling game in the existence of wrestling games. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like highly considering buying an N64. They got Perfect Dark. Ready, bro, remember Ready to Rumble? Yeah, man. Could be in here lost for days. Look. GoldenEye.
Is this what you're talking about?
Yeah, that's for the Wii though.
And bro, I know it. Say about I fold my pizza too.
I want pizza folder. That is bananas. What you think, AJ?
Bomb as hell.
Well, this place has got our recommendation. You'll get that 5-star review real quick as soon as I'm done eating this.